and then wo rough, and then wo walk to hospital, and I walk came. Who ye the day said they are not attending to you. Let me remind you, who can somehow can Ghana form more baby, nipa baku anaide. Who anaide, and now nipa no su anaide. Now Bekano, and then the bedi with you never had Ghana at heart. Who Ghana at heart? Enka unko blocky hospital enim. Unim pefe say, baby at the
Abuja for Nyamisha Bibi, I'm a Dindi Nogopo artist. Aha, I Ghana Asem TV. Master of subscribing to the channel. Never by drink to the bra. I will comment section. Nyamisha Bibi. Abuja for Yebet Mubekaya. Some years back, Raf Ako blocky a quina a quarter 7. Ah, Yarifo e Dakamu Eko Hospital. This rough guy went to block the road leading to the hospital. Ah, Obi. Papa bi pie. Ebe catcher they say. Then a wa blocking road leading to hospital. Rough. Ebien na no catcher they say. Na Ghana emwa bebree. Na ebi wa na yede. Ebushafo. Papa no. Aba abekasa. Or see Raf Sakos, I did not Raf ye, Emma, Niba ewuye. Or see Raf dear ye, a yes, dano. Emma Nibana or didn't call hospital. Ah, Raf abe blocking a quanu. Emma Niba ewuye. Ebuzafo, Muma, they got see papa no bra. Na yeba, yebet so. That's a ginseng, a ginseng.
And then wo rough, and then wo walk to hospital, and I walk came. Who ye the day said they are not attending to you. Let me remind you, who can somehow can Ghana form more baby, nipa baku anaide. Who anaide, and now nipa no su anaide. Now Bekano, and then the bedi with you never had Ghana at heart. Who Ghana at heart? Enka unko blocky hospital enim. Unim pefe say, baby at the man mo say mo demonstration, and that one mo demonstration wo. Your man Christ the king at you. But all public view for your political motive. And unti ana oba hospital anymore. Secondly, all the van say mo video ni here. On my left hand side, no, all the van be ebe block that quite no na early in the morning, very early in the morning, ne echo, very early in the morning, ne echo. But mo the van ne be eba ho to and ebe block quite no, and the man traffic near west. In time me ba no, me ba area no kakra 10 after now bobe 10, 11 day no 12 no, that traffic na intense, crazy. Maybe confront you now. Can't want to me. But me ban na more football. You are not demonstrating. Much I'm home na more ball. And the police were watching you guys. And notice that the following day, yeah, police for the towing car above tow Mokano because no one person over blocking quite any beam. Nurses omi enipa. O block a quite no. Nurses has to walk and doctors have to walk for a long distance. Doctor Arno Obano only in a special a man of special clearance. On my woman, yes, sorry, I need the nurses for them. Yes, bad nuts womb. But I share Yensusu the way ye behave. Sabi who cry who yendi pay, Obiaka odi money, I do baby cry. Also reply we should appreciate our nurses. Yes, we are bad nuts, be one or two, be one. But we should appreciate them. And the nurse made Juma several months without pay. Or no nurse no area. Or to me, free medical health care. Nurse ni the picture be bought TikTok. Say key for medical help. Bullshit. What a country is this? Uye nipa. Uye nipa before political party. Ma political party no flag ni ndi we ni. Before Ghana flag no. Ghana flag is the highest. It's above all other flag in this country. It behave like a proper human being. Political party to say, sorry. Obi pe Roma, Obi pe Anglican, Obi pe Presby. But the most important to say, yes, some of mine. No. Eti me ma noise making now we know. And our political way now we now this distracting Ghanaians no. Me man in delete you because at the end of the day, you know, you achieve nothing. Yem fashion ko edimpa ne hia. We are on this earth for an agenda. It's rough. Change your ways. Mawadri ne eduma. You are doing too much unnecessarily. Maybe I'll call at least say bibi kra talk to them calmly. But say, what do you say street fights? It's a fight now, let me try, you know. You're boxing and you're street fights. How to handle your things. Neja Jimmy and wow. Fatu trim uye nipa. So ne superhuman. So him say ne Ubeko hospital at that time moment. Une superhuman. Uye nipa. Politicians also uye nipa. See, think like a human being. Maybe.
All right, Ebusiafo. Somewhere. Papa ne say, Raf, uye nipa. Nti ene, also feel say you have to go to the hospital. But when you were blocking road that leading to hospital, you can't know what catching the pan say. Na emwa bebre na ewo Ghana. Na ebiwa na yede. Nti say oh to be catching say emwa. Now which people are you saying say you are fighting for? Raf. Who and who are you fighting for? So who say ye moi? It is say ye a bim krewa na ye de ya. It ye nena who see you are fighting for Ghana no. Ralph, she sakwa sasem na udi wana na no personal. If were to be John Dramani Mahama, and then you are doing this thing, the omudi be ye hono, the omudi be ye hono. Abusafo, yenko share video. Raf, ni semfuna wakachira papa na time na papa na di ni ba eko hospital. Ma yenko tiebra.
What says that what solution has it brought? People are dying. What are you doing? What are you making? Obi one eye then. And I'll buy making that sense. It doesn't make sense to me. Get traffic out. Hey, what I was saying will come at the Ghana. Bra. Go hospital. What's all come at the
A few moments later.
Into right? Obi so bani beshan so ka say untimi mu obi pressure na higher Ghana one. It hurts. You understand? What do you mean by higher Ghana? There's a Ghana there obi betumi ewusa aboa and nothing happens. And you people don't even show appreciation. I'm sick in the head. Yes.
You know how many times I settle the money there? If you go tell me what we go do, hey, woman, make you no video, whatever you want.